Hello and welcome to another trading video from Binary Price. Hello traders, welcome, sit back, enjoy. Today you will get answers to your most frequently asked questions. So we have received many questions from you onto our Facebook profile and via email as well. So we would like to address those. We read through your queries and questions, we analyzed them, and it's time to provide answers to you traders. Okay, so let's start with the most frequent ones that came most often, that appeared most often, and we would like to help you find answers as accurate as possible and as helpful as possible. So let's see what we came up with. Question number one, and this one repeated very often, many times, and this question was regarding time frame. You wanted to know which time frame should I choose? How do I adjust expiration time for binary options? Graham. Hi Graham, I hope you are watching this video, and in case you are, then enjoy and hopefully you will find a satisfying answer to your question. So choosing the right time frame comes to, well, it's definitely derived, it's definitely closely connected to your trading style. And by which I mean is the length of your trade. So let's say you would like to engage, you would like to trade intraday forex, then good idea is to open hourly candles or buy hourly candles, so that's H1 or H2 candles, in order to see an outlook for at least a couple of days, but preferably to get a weekly view to see what has happened in the past within this week or within this month. So H2, H4 candles, and then you can zoom into 30-minute or 15-minute candles to open trades. But you need to be aware of the big picture, and it's always a good way to work your way down from the larger time frame onto a small, shorter time frame. So this would be for intraday forex. But what if you want to trade 15-minute or 10-minute or even 5-minute options, short-term binary options? Then it would not be a good idea to open H2 or H1 candles. You need to start with shorter candles. So I suggest opening 30-minute candles and getting 1 day or 12-hour overview. Drawing your main support and resistance lines is the best way to start. And then you can work your way down to 5-minute candles, adjusting the lines that you drew on M30 or M15, and then you can go even further, zoom in even more, and refine and make your final view on M1 or M2 candles, which will show a lot of detail and will provide you necessary information, detailed information for creating and choosing great entries. There is not a whole lot of difference between M1 and M2 candles, as they are pretty similar. The only difference is that M1 will show you more signals, but be careful, be aware, they will also create more so-called noise. So they will give you some fake signals as well, and it's up to you to filter these out, and it's up to you to make your own decisions, because trading is always risky and carries high degree of risk. So it's up to you to adjust your trading style. This is just a general advice that works for us, but it may not work for every trader. Anyway, so not a huge difference between M1 and M2 candles, so I suggest trying both of these and comparing what works for you. When it comes to expiration time, as my preferred method, I would suggest anywhere between 2 and 2.5 candles is the best and works the best. Short vs long, some traders prefer to make many trades, 30, 40, 50, 60 trades per day, and they may not achieve as high success rate. Let's say the win ratio is 64%, but via larger volume, they achieve their profits. Other traders prefer only opening 3, 4 or 5 trades per day, might achieve higher ratio, 70, 72, 74% maybe for some traders, and increase their stakes and make their profit that way. I hope this is not another message from another trader. No, it's not. So we will deal with that later. Anyway, so yeah, this was for different time frames, expiration times, and short vs long binaries options. So it's tough to say because I have had various successes with short-term, both short-term and long-term. So it's entirely up to you, and I suggest running a database and analyzing, filtering your data and finding out for yourself. Source of income. Do you trade full-time? Hi Stephanie. Yes, I do trade full-time Forex CFDs at various brokers, not just IQ Option. Actually, to be perfectly honest, I trade Forex and CFDs at other brokers, and we will slowly but surely move on to IQ Option as they have just opened CFDs for stock markets and ETF funds and so on. So we will continue trading at IQ Option, and will extend our portfolio or trading at IQ Option as well. So yes, I do trade full-time Forex CFD binary options, and I'm trying to add cryptocurrencies as well. I haven't got a huge amount of experience yet, but I devote a lot of time to it. I study lots of materials, videos, resources, and I have the privilege to be in close contact with people who have had serious success in crashing cryptocurrencies. So we will bring you information from them as well. Okay, on top of that, I do coaching focusing on poker and mental abilities. So that means self-improvement, self-development, and mastering your ego and your emotions, as this is crucial. This is very, very important to any trader. And when it comes to any activity involving so-called calculating risk. And I do other projects in the same area, in the aforementioned area. So we work with calculated risks, doing investments, doing poker coaching, and sports betting as well. So yes, various activities, various projects, and trading is amongst the prime activities of my income. Let's hop on to another slide. Okay, readers' questions part 1/2. Money withdrawals. Is it possible to withdraw 5 times €200 in one day? And are there any fees? Sanjeev. Hi Sanjeev. I presume Sanjeev from India. So namaste. Is it possible to withdraw 5 times €200? Yes, it is possible to run multiple withdrawals, and they do not incur any additional fees. So you can withdraw as many times as you want, and you will not be charged any additional fees. Just be aware that there is a standard currency conversion rate, but that's very standard, and it's not charged by the IQ Option, it's charged by your bank. Deposit and withdrawal method. There was also a question asking how much you can deposit via credit or debit card, and why can't you withdraw your winnings onto your credit or debit card. So let me stress this out, let me be clear, and provide you an example. So let's say that you deposit €500 and make 500 profit, totaling your balance at 1k, so €1,000. Then you would like to withdraw 700. You can do that, but you can only send 500, up to 500, to the source of fund origin, which is the credit or debit card. So you can only send 500, the same amount that you deposited. You can withdraw the same amount back. Don't worry, you will absolutely not lose your profits. You will be able to withdraw your profits onto many different methods of withdrawals, payment methods, but the most preferred and highly recommended are so-called internet wallets, which is very similar to internet banking, and you will also be issued ATM card, payment card, so you can withdraw from ATM as well. It's very simple, it's very convenient, fees are very friendly, and you will enjoy this as another bank account. You can access this account on your holiday, and you can even make payments at retailers. So this is very convenient. It's lightning fast and secure as well. And I have been using internet wallets for 15-16 years without having a single problem, so I can say that I've got pretty decent amount of experience, and I would highly recommend using internet wallets, namely Skrill and Neteller. We can make a video describing and showing you how to register these wallets, and showing you some benefits and how you can benefit from using internet wallets as well. Do you use, onto the last question, do you use MetaTrader 4, and do you use any other additional software? Yes, I use MetaTrader 4 for Hi Gabor, and I use MetaTrader 4 for trading Forex at other brokers, but I do not use any I don't use MetaTrader or any additional software for trading at IQ Option. The reason is very simple, that there is no need for any additional software. The platform has been tweaked up, has been upgraded many times, and I believe that all the tools provided and numerous indicators, technical indicators, and the design has been really tuned up and tweaked up, so there is no need for additional software and additional information. Right, so this is it for the part 1. Don't hesitate to add any more questions, and we will process those. We will carefully analyze them as well, and create part 2 very soon. So happy trading, good luck, and you will hear from us very soon. Okay, enjoy. Bye bye. Binary Price here.